How to deposit money in 1xBet. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can deposit money in 1xBet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to deposit money on 1xBet, open up 1xBet and make sure that you log into your account. And once you log into your account, you will see this type of interface where if you look at the top left of the screen, you'll find a little plus icon. So you can tap the plus icon and you'll enable the account deposits tab. Now, depending upon the country you live in and the region, your payment method might vary from mine. So depending upon which payment method is the most convenient for you, as you can see, they offer so many types of different payment methods that you can use. Depending on what you want, you can select a certain payment method and then just make sure to enter the amount that you'd like to deposit. Tap the confirm option and then you'll be able to deposit in 1xBet. This way you'll be able to deposit money in 1xBet. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.